What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We had an absolute blast at the Polaris Championship over the weekend, so let's take a look back at this weekend's winners.
Liquid 2, 85, Limited Pros. After that, you can already see some of the drivers coming out and start moving the track into the mini rise, 2,050 pounds. Going to be our next class over here. Case fans, yeah, gonna roll it out a little bit further. Marthasville, Missouri. Check out their lineup of tractors, combines, attachments, and more. Oh, Terry Banks, the Deadpool. Here comes out our first pro stock of the night, Jason Rowley. Industrial Force made the trip down to Iowa. We want to see Bull. He's got a brand new 8R machine. He's going to be a little bit later in this class as well.
All right, Beer Money fans, quick break from the pulling action to let you know that we have teamed up with Own Boss Supply Company, and those guys are hooking our audience up right now. If you go to ownbosssupplycompany.com and use the promo code Beer Money, you'll get 5,000 bonus entries added onto your order. That's basically like getting $50 worth of entries just thrown in for free. So if you're already thinking about ordering from them, now's the time. Apparel, gear, giveaways, all built around the hardworking blue-collar lifestyle that fits this sport perfectly. Again, that's ownbosssupplycompany.com, promo code Beer Money. The link is in the description.
Champion here tonight.
Going back out to the show.
Working. Summer, a 5-time Super Semi champion. He wants to take over that #1 spot. What do you think here? John Deere fans, where are you now?
Now we're going to turn up the wheel speed. Here we go. Little Temptation. Astro, what do you think about that? Give it up for him, the Little Temptation.
5 wins on the summer for this truck. Team out of northeast of Indianapolis. Here we go. Wow, drove that truck out a long way. We'll check our ProFab replay and you'll see what I'm talking about, fans.
#3 spot. unable to come back. Catastrophic damage. But here we go. Four-wheel drive side.
All right, well, we're down here in the winner's circle here. Donnie Sullivan. Wow. Oh, pretty darn impressive.
Red Trans just won the Case 380 HD.